Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Debushri. Me and my husband, we live in Hyderabad. Today we are going for a long holiday to our home, which is in Kolkata. Our flight is in 2 hours, so we are in a hurry. जल्दी जल्दी भाग रहे हैं, miss ना हो जाए flight. Right now we are going to Hyderabad airport, which is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, and it's a little far from the city. Through a highway, we have to reach there. It's a long way, but the serene view, peaceful breeze makes your journey pretty comfortable. On both sides of the road and also in the divider, you will observe only greenery. The way Hyderabad has planned this highway road and planted so many plants, it is no less than any foreign country road. I believe so. So clean, so beautiful, so greenery. I simply love this road and also enjoy the best time whenever I am on this road. Given the current circumstance, we realize how much trees are important for human beings to survive. Anyway, we will be reaching the airport anytime soon. We haven't seen our parents and our family in a long time, so we are very much excited. Hi again! Nowadays, traveling it's not that easy. There are so many rules and so many protocols. Traveling protocol has changed. We have to follow few rules which are set up by the airlines. So before wave check-in, we were glued to the airline website to check if any new changes were added to the protocols or not. From checking body temperature, carrying RT-PCR negative report, wearing double face mask and a face shield. And whoever will be sitting in the middle seat, that person has to wear a PPE kit throughout the flight. And during the flight, you cannot remove your mask except when you are having food or water. Anyway, our flight, it was not that crowded, so we were a bit relaxed. So again, yes, nowadays traveling it's not that easy. There are so many rules, so many protocols, and we really need to follow it because of our safety. We're all in this together. And this is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. You can see that. And in coming times, hopefully everything will be normal like before. And it's a direct flight from Hyderabad to Kolkata by Air India, and it takes around 2 hours to complete this journey. We simply miss the feeling of traveling. And finally, we are taking off. इतने दिनों के बाद घर जाने का खुशी कुछ अलग ही होता है. आज पहली बार के लिए महसूस हो रहा है. And we are up and away. Now just look at the view. These bunch of cotton balls and these whitish clouds are making my heart and eyes filled with so much joy. In your imaginary world, do you ever feel that you want to work on this cloud and want to dance among them? मुझे तो बहुत बार ऐसा लगा. आपको ज़रूर बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन पे. Oh my god, my sudden feeling after saying this. Am I on Mars or any other planet? Anyway, I'm wondering which place is this? Are these hills or mountain? I wonder where I am flying through. ये देखो, someone having food. And here is the sunset. Evening हो चुका है and I can see some lights down there. And I can feel we're just a few minutes away from landing in Kolkata, my city of joy. Hey, और हम पहुंच गए हैं. Happy us. My personal colleague forever. Now I'm sharing few snaps. Have a look and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do subscribe. See you on my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.